The Master FX Mystic 2 Hazer has arrived, and it comes with some bold claims about its power and capabilities. It boasts 3 times the output, a dual fluid density option, and an ultra-intelligent operating system. But how do these claims hold up in real-world conditions? We got our hands on the Mystic 2, took it for a spin, and here's what we found. When it comes to atmosphere, more is always better. So when Master FX claimed the Mystic 2 produces 3 times the output of the original Mystic, we had to see what that actually looks like. So we headed to Zouk Nightclub, a massive 26,000 square foot venue in Las Vegas, to see how the machine would perform in a large space. We ran 2 Mystic 2 units simultaneously, and in under 3 minutes, the venue was filled with haze. So what's really driving this massive 3x output increase? At the core of this power boost is a new supercharged fan, which plays a key role in distributing haze more efficiently across large spaces. Additionally, the Mystic 2's heating core has been revamped to handle higher fluid volumes without causing bottlenecks or uneven heating. But not every show calls for the same type of haze, and this is where the Mystic 2 really sets itself apart. The Mystic 2 allows you to choose between a thin-density, nebulous fluid or thick-density, obscure fluid. This sounds great on paper, but we wanted to see how it performed in practice. So we dove into both fluids and compared them, and we will drop the link to that comparison below. But to sum it up, it works. The dual-density option isn't just a marketing gimmick. It gives real control over how the space feels. Master FX Haze machines are known for their advanced operating systems, and the Mystic 2 continues to build on that. The revamped internal components only require a 50-second warm-up time, getting the unit haze ready almost immediately. The machine also features a purging shutdown sequence, low fluid level sensors, a self-cleaning mode, and more. These features sound small, but they're lifesavers when you're in the middle of production chaos. Despite being water-based, the Mystic 2 produces a haze comparable to oil-based machines without leaving a trace of residue. The other big advantage is the lack of CO2 tanks. Plus, with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, you're investing in a product that's built to go the distance. After getting some hands-on time with the Master FX Mystic 2, we can confidently say it lives up to the hype. For a little more info, like pricing, control, and deeper specs, check out our website and app. Thanks for plugging in with Limelight Wired.